Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're making a classic bread omelet. Simple, quick, and incredibly satisfying. Crispy toasted bread on the outside and soft, fluffy egg packed with fresh vegetables inside. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick snack. Let's get started and turn these simple ingredients into something absolutely delicious. To make this quick and tasty bread omelet, here's what you'll need. Take 2 large fresh eggs. These will be the heart of our recipe. You'll also need 2 slices of soft, fresh bread. White, brown, or whole wheat. Use whichever you prefer. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, which will help make the omelet extra soft and fluffy. For flavor and texture, we'll use 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chili for a gentle kick of heat, and 2 tablespoons of chopped bell pepper to add sweetness and color. Season with salt to taste and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Finally, you'll need 1 tablespoon of butter or oil to cook everything to golden perfection. These simple ingredients may seem basic, but together they combine beautifully to create a fluffy, flavorful omelet wrapped in perfectly toasted bread. Now let's begin the preparation. Crack the eggs carefully into a mixing bowl. Make sure there are no shell pieces inside. Add the milk, salt, and black pepper. Using a whisk or fork, beat the mixture thoroughly until it becomes smooth and slightly frothy. Don't rush this step. Whisking properly incorporates air into the eggs, and that air is what gives the omelet its light and fluffy texture. The more evenly you whisk, the softer your final result will be. Once the eggs are well beaten, add the chopped onions, green chilies, and bell peppers. Stir gently so the vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. You'll start noticing the vibrant colors blending into the pale, yellow eggs. It already looks appetizing. Next, place a non-stick pan on the stove over medium heat. Add your butter and allow it to melt slowly. As the butter melts, it will release a rich, nutty aroma. Once fully melted and slightly bubbling, pour the egg mixture gently into the pan. Immediately tilt the pan slightly from side to side, so the eggs spread evenly into a round shape. This helps the omelet cook evenly and gives it a nice uniform thickness. Let it cook gently. Avoid high heat because that can brown the eggs too quickly and make them rubbery. Cook until the bottom is set and lightly golden, while the top remains slightly soft. The smell of butter and eggs cooking together is comforting and irresistible. Now comes the fun and unique part of this recipe. Take your bread slices and place them directly on top of the semi-cooked omelet. Press them down gently so they stick to the surface of the egg. Let it cook for about a minute so the bread adheres properly. Then, with confidence and care, flip the entire omelet so that the bread side faces down onto the pan. This step allows the bread to toast beautifully while absorbing the delicious flavors of the egg mixture underneath. You'll start to see the bread turning golden and slightly crisp. Once the bread is nicely toasted on one side, fold the omelet neatly over the slices, creating a sandwich-style shape. Press gently with a spatula and let it cook until both sides turn perfectly golden brown and slightly crispy. If you love extra richness, you can add a small amount of butter at this stage to enhance the crunch and flavor. Cook patiently, flipping if needed, until you see a beautiful golden color forming on both sides. Finally, remove the bread omelet from the pan and place it on a cutting board. Let it rest for a few seconds. This helps the flavors settle and makes slicing easier. Using a sharp knife, cut it in half and look at that stunning cross-section. The outside is crisp and golden, while the inside remains soft, fluffy, and full of colorful vegetables. It's a perfect balance of textures and flavors. Serve it hot with ketchup, chili sauce, or even a slice of cheese melted inside for extra indulgence. This easy bread omelet is ideal for busy mornings, lazy weekends, or whenever you crave something warm and satisfying, without spending too much time in the kitchen. It's simple, quick, affordable, and incredibly delicious. If you enjoyed watching this recipe and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell us your favorite omelet add-ins. Do you prefer extra cheese, mushrooms, herbs, or maybe sausage? We'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for cooking with us today, and we'll see you in the next tasty recipe.